Hello everyone, this is a video I'm sending out to my subscribers, which I thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and also maybe some future subscribers. As you know, I've done a number of videos on this channel, everything from travel to tips to other things about RVing. I was just wanting to get an idea from you about things that I may not have covered on my channel that you might be interested in. So if you would just reply to me in the comments section of this video, I will see about being able to try to generate those types of interest videos for you. So I'll be waiting to hear from you. Everybody have a great day.